let me take few more questions. Okay. So the question, yes, one by one, please respond first. Last class, I have left one question for all of you. Pages, you said that you have done. Irshad,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done that particular question? Which you asked, I think. You said to me, how will be finding the total amount over here? And I started explaining, right? Right, Irshad?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Are you audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. I can hear you.
Okay, yes,
Ma'am, the
Irshad. I said that last class I have left one question. The calculation part I have left. I think I have explained the calculation also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have explained everything.
Okay, I have explained everything. Okay, let's continue. Have we done this question on traffic signal? Have we done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A, find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area? Okay, let's see what the question says. The question says that a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. You must have seen such equilateral triangle board
Yes, ma'am.
where it is written like this, school ahead. Why it is written like this? Because we have to slow down, like whatever, if we are going by car or whatever, we have to just be careful. Any student can come suddenly. Okay, so a traffic signal board indicating a school ahead is an equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle with side
Yes,
A.
ma'am.
Okay, this is A, this is A, this is A. Equilateral means all the sides same. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. We have to find the area by using Heron's formula. Why it says Heron's formula? Because we know that we can also use that formula for finding which formula 1 by 2 into base into height. Here finding height is possible. It is difficult, but it is possible. Okay, finding height is possible over here, and 1 by 2 into base into height formula can also be applicable. Okay, we can use that formula for finding the area over here if we can find the height, but no worries, we have to just stick to Heron's formula. Okay, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, perimeter is given as a 180 centimeter. Now I am coming to you one by one. You will tell me your opinion, what can be done if the perimeter is given as a 180 centimeter. Let me call the name. Okay, so yes, at first, Farhan, you have joined from two IDs. Yes, Farhan,
Yes, ma'am.
you have joined from two IDs.
Yes, ma'am. In another ID, the voice was not coming. That's it. Wait, ma'am, I will leave in that ID.
Yes, leave it. Because Hazia, I'm coming to you. Okay, if you want to answer, please tell me what can be done over here.
Ma'am, the one side will be 60.
One side will be 60. Okay, yes, Farhan, how she got one side as a 60? Are you having any idea if we are having an equilateral triangle where all the sides having same measurement A, okay? And if the perimeter is given as a 180, is it possible to find the side? Is it
Yes, ma'am.
possible? Farhan, is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
If we are having an equilateral triangle, अगर हमारे पास एक equilateral triangle है जिसका side a सेंटीमीटर है, each and every side, of course equilateral triangle है तो सारे sides तो सेम ही होंगे, तो a है. और एक इंफॉर्मेशन है हमारे पास कि पेरीमीटर इस ट्रायंगल का 180 सेंटीमीटर है, तो क्या हम साइड फाइंड कर पाएंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे? अगर ये ट्रायंगल है, ये A है, ये A, and this one is also है, and perimeter is
Ma'am,
180,
180 divided by 3.
then how will be finding the side, Farhan? Yes, they just give me let me say.
Yes, ma'am.
How will be finding the side A value? How will be finding? Farhan,
Yes, ma'am. We will divide it, ma'am. We will divide 180 by 3.
why we will divide?
Ma'am, so equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So if we divide 180 by 3, then we will get the number each side is the value.
Okay. Yes, Sarah, what he is talking about? What we will be doing over here for finding A? Are you there, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
What we will be doing it over here for finding A? This much information we are having in hand. A equilateral triangle A sides. Perimeter is 180. How we will be finding A?
I'm not sure.
What does it mean? The perimeter means what? Perimeter means what? What is the formula for perimeter of the triangle? Yes, Sarah. What is the formula for perimeter of the triangle? If I will ask you, please tell me the formula for perimeter of the triangle. What you will say? ट्रायंगल के पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? ट्रायंगल के एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या?
No,
Perimeter
yes.
Yes, Sara, you was about to say something. Please tell me.
is the formula for perimeter A plus B plus C.
is a plus b plus c. That means you understand that we have to add all the sides, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if we will be adding all the sides, this is the perimeter, but that is given in the question as a 180. So can we find a from here, Sarah?
Yes.
Please find it and tell me what are we going to get. A,
60.
yes. Okay, everyone getting it? Safia,
Yes,
Sazia,
ma'am.
you only said Sazia.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone getting it? So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
know that we are having an equilateral triangle. Perimeter is given, that means a plus a is given as a 180. From there 3a is 180. Then of course a is 180 by 3 and a is 60 centimeter meter. So perimeter is given in centimeter.
Centimeter.
Our a will also be centimeter. We got A. Now we have to find the area of this triangle by using Heron's formula. Area, Heron's has given one formula, that is
A
under root
side.
S minus A, S
S
minus B,
minus B. S minus C.
S minus C. Please apply this formula and tell me what are you getting as a area. Please apply this formula. Everyone, please do it. We are having an equilateral triangle where each side is 60. You have to apply this formula. You have to do the simplification and you have to tell me the final answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, you got the answer. Yes, please tell me, Safia.
Ma'am, 900 root 3.
Rest of the student.
900 root 3 centimeter square.
Tejas, you have solved. You have not used calculator, right, Tejas?
No, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yes,
Safia,
ma'am.
you are also not using calculator, right?
Yes, ma'am. Not using.
Yes, anyone from here, please don't use calculator. Okay, it's a request. Please don't use calculator because like in long time you will see the result. Any simple calculation you will end up doing mistake.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
everyone is getting same. Irshad, what are you getting, Irshad?
Ma'am, same.
Are you getting same?
Yeah,
Sarah,
ma'am. I
Farhan.
did. This question was discussed in school.
Okay, it was discussed in school. Have you understood the concept,
Yes, ma'am.
Irshad? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
I
Irshad.
have a doubt. I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Yes.
in equilateral triangle, there, what is the formula for that to find the area of a equilateral triangle? Is it root 3 by 4 a square or?
Yes, it is root 3 by 4a square. There is a formula. Yes, thank you for asking it. Okay. There is a formula in equilateral triangle, direct formula we are having. You know, area of the triangle, any triangle, area of any triangle, formula is 1 by 2 into base into height, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are discussing a new formula, Heron's formula, which is applicable when we know length of all the sides. Okay. So there is a specific formula for area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle, and that's why it is clearly written that please don't use another formula. It is clearly written over here by using Heron's formula. Why it is written? Why it was not written in the other question? Because this question can be done in so many different ways. Heron's formula it has mentioned, that means we are bound to use Heron formula. Otherwise, we would have used area of equilateral triangle formula, that is root 3 by 4 a square. Now the question is, from all of sudden from where this formula came? Let me tell you. Let me tell you from where it came. Yes, Irshad, on the in the like first class where I was giving the introduction, we were discussing that when we are having an scalene triangle, like this is 7, this is 6, this is 8, then we won't be able to find the area by using this formula, because we don't know the height over here, and that's why we are bound to use the Heron's formula. Okay. Now that day we have also discussed that if we are having an isosceles triangle, or maybe if we are having an equilateral triangle, then we can use our older formula for finding the area. What we can do over here, Irshad and everyone, please focus. This is an equilateral triangle, and I am going to write each side is a unit. Okay, a centimeter you can say. This is also a centimeter. This is also a centimeter. A is nothing but the side. Okay. Now here, if we want to find the area, by using the older formula, what we can do, we have to draw a height over here. So we will be drawing, let's call it triangle ABC. In this triangle, we have to draw a height. Height means a perpendicular we will be dropping, maybe. Okay, maybe from the vertex A, I am dropping a perpendicular. Okay. Now, Irshad, here I have also explained that. Can you tell me what is the base over here, Irshad? Can
Ma'am,
you
the
hear me?
base is BC.
And if I will draw a triangle again, and if I will draw a height from here 90 degree, and the name is PQR, can you tell me the base over here,
Ma'am,
Irshad?
ma'am, PR is the base.
Exactly. So the side on which we are dropping the perpendicular, that is the base. Okay. So here BC is the base. Perfect. BC is the base. We have just dropped the height because we want to use this older formula. Now what we will do, we will realize that this triangle and this triangle, these two are nothing but congruent triangle. Can I say these two are congruent triangle?
Yes.
Why we will be saying it? Because 90 degree here, 90 degree here, a centimeter here, a centimeter here. Okay, and this is the common side also we are having. Which congruency criteria is working? R right angle, H
H, S.
hypotenuse same, S RHS congruency criteria is working, and that's why we are saying the left side triangle and the right side triangle, these two are same. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes,
Farhan,
ma'am.
Sara, Sazia,
Yes,
Safia,
ma'am.
everyone, are you getting
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting it, Sara?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these two triangles are congruent triangle by RHS congruency. If these two triangles are congruent, then we can say that this much will be a by 2 and this much will also be a by 2. That means if the total side, the complete length was a, this will be same by CPCT. Yes or no? If this is
Yes,
AD,
ma'am.
then
Yes, ma'am.
BD and DC will be same by CPCT. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And if BD and DC will be same, that means we can say it will be a by 2. Each one will be a by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And if it is a by 2, why we are doing this all? For finding the height. Keep in mind that for finding the height, so much of hassle, everything we are discussing, height we have to find. Again I am saying height we have to find. Okay, and this is a by 2, a right angle triangle. Please find the height by using Pythagoras theorem. Please find it. Let's find it. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square
Yes.
plus
Plus
perpendicular
perpendicular.
square. Hypotenuse is a square is equals to base is a by 2 complete square plus AD square. Our AD square will be
Right.
a square minus a square by 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
What we will be getting over here, AD square will become, please do the simplification and tell me what are we going to get. A square minus A square by 4 will be what?
Root 4.
Will it be 4A square minus A square by 4? Will it be?
Yes, sir.
Will it be 3A square by 4?
Yes, sir.
AD square?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
AD
Ma'am,
will
is
be?
this,
Yes.
ma'am, we can do this in this one, right? Like in Heron's formula also.
Yeah, area we can find by Heron's formula also. And we can find like this also. Both way you
No,
will
no.
be getting the same. Okay. So we are getting root 3 because I wanted to discuss this part with you. Yes, Irshad. That 1 by 2 into base into height, this formula is applicable always. But we just need to know the height. Sometimes it is possible to find the height. However, the steps are very huge. Okay. You can see congruency and all came. And sometimes for a scalene triangle, it is not even possible to find the height. Even if you will drop a height over here, no, you can't say this two triangle congruent. You won't be able to find this height. So Heron's formula is the only option you are having for finding the area. That's why we are discussing this chapter. Are you understanding, Irshad?
Yes, ma'am.
So from here we are getting root 3a by 2. AD is root 3a by 2 and we wanted to find the area by using this formula 1 by 2 into base into height. Our height is very weird, but that's fine, root 3a by 2. Our base is only a, okay, and 1 by 2. From here we are getting a formula that for equilateral triangle formula will be root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side. Getting it? And the same thing you
Yes.
will be getting when you will be using Heron's formula. When you will be using area, you will be finding by Heron's formula, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. If you will use this formula and at the place of S is A plus B plus C. If we are talking about equilateral triangle, it will be A plus A. That means 3A. Okay, then 3a minus a, again 3a minus a, again 3a minus a. Why a I am writing? It is equilateral. Again we are talking about the same triangle, and from here also you will be getting the area as a root 3 by 4 a square. Getting it?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So from Heron's formula, from older formula, from everywhere, there is a formula designed specifically for equilateral triangle, and that is root 3 by 4 a square. Do you have to learn it? For now, you don't even have to learn it. You just need to know it, because in future when you will see this formula, please don't get confused that all of sudden from where this formula came.
Yes.
Getting it? Okay. So yes, here Heron's formula we have to use for finding the area, and everyone is getting 900 to 3 centimeter square.
Yes.
Pages. Safia,
Yes.
Safia, you have
Yes, ma'am.
responded. Sazia, Ishad, Sara,
Yes.
Farhan. Getting it? 900 root 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Yes, ma'am.
Have we done this question? An isosceles triangle.
Ma'am has parameter 30 centimeter. That one.
Yes, yes.
No,
Have
ma'am.
we done?
No.
Has perimeter 30
We are not,
centimeter,
ma'am.
and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Please do it now. Everyone, please do it.
Yes. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Tejas, what are you
The
getting?
answer of this the first question is 9 root 15 centimeter square.
Rest of the student, are you getting the same?
Ma'am, I'm getting -15.
Minus, what are you getting?
9 root -15 centimeters.
Minus, inside the root you are getting negative?
Yeah.
That is not possible, Sazia. Please check your calculation. I don't know the answer, but inside the root we must not get, never ever get minus, because that is not acceptable in mathematics. Please check your calculation, Sazia. There is a branch of mathematics that if we will be getting negative inside the root, that is not real number. Okay, that is complex number, and there is a branch of mathematics for that. So we say for now, since we are only discussing whatever we are solving, whatever we are learning today, like you are learning, we are discussing. Everything is based on real numbers. Okay, everywhere we are just talking about real numbers. Okay, something which is not real number, we will say that is not defined, that is not acceptable. That's it.
Ma'am, what are
Ma'am,
imaginary
ma'am, I
numbers?
got
Yes, what you got it, son. I'm coming
Ma'am,
to
I
you.
got 9 root 15 centimeters square.
Okay. Tejas, imaginary number is there in class 11. You will get to know. Okay, for
Ma'am,
now
I
I
got
can
it.
just say that root negative is, this is not real.
Ma'am, I got it.
Yes, you got it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember, and the second answer is 20 root 2 meters square.
Okay, I need to draw the figure for that, but at first let me ask from everyone that everyone is getting the same. Safia, what are you getting? Safia,
Ma'am,
Sarah,
ma'am,
yes.
for the second question, I got 20 root 2 meters square.
Tejas, you are not using calculator, right?
Yes,
Tejas,
I'm sure, ma'am. I'm not.
at least you have to be truthful to yourself. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here there are no complex multiplication.
Okay, here there are no complex multiplication. It's really simple. Yes, Sarah,
Yes,
are you getting in the first one? Safia,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
what are you getting? You both are getting 99 to 15 centimeter square.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah, are you getting Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is also the same question that perimeter is given, a plus b plus c is given, and each equal side is 12, 12. Two sides are 12, 12, and the third side we can find with the help of the perimeter. So since you all have done, I am not explaining it. Please let me know if you have not done. See, if I will join a class and if I will be the only student who have like not got it or not getting the answer, not able to do it, I must be asking in the class.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, because these are just the strangers for me. I don't know them. I just know me and my teacher. That's it. Now again I am asking, everyone has done it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's continue.
Ma'am, is this chapter finished?
Yes, today we are going to say that we have experienced.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Please everyone, please do it. No? Yes, they just let them do it, then we'll be matching the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is this R or area?
Area. Area.
And A is missing there.
Let me read it. R. R side of the walls are 15 meter,
Oh,
11
okay,
meter.
ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, I thought you were saying this one, and I am checking A. I have
No,
written.
ma'am.
Doesn't
I
it
was,
looks like A?
no, ma'am. I was saying this one. This one.
Okay.
After 15 meter.
Yeah, yeah.
Before.
Yes, yes, I understood. See, when the figure is given, the question is really simple. When the figure is not given, then we have to think about what exactly it is talking about. But when the figure is given, we understand. We understand what does it says. Okay. So let me explain it and then you can find the area because sites are already given and we just have to find the area, nothing else. Okay. Here it is written, keep the park green and
Keep
clean.
the park clean. Ma'am, in the textbook, the figure is given, ma'am. Question.
I'm copy pasting from the book only. Okay.
Okay.
So here it says there is a slide in the park. One of the side wall. There is a slide. Okay, and one of the side wall is painted with some color with the message this. If the side of the wall here, it is also given that the side of the wall are like this. It is given in the figure itself that this is 11. It is given in the figure itself that this is 6 meter, and it is given in the figure itself that this is 15 meter, and hence find the area which is painted. We are having a triangle where each side is given. We will be finding the area. It's that simple. Please find the area.
Ma'am, root 6, 15.
Can you please repeat again, Sazia?
6 to 15 meters.
3 meter square. Have you got the same, Tejas?
No, ma'am, it's 20.
15 meters.
Why your voice is
Ma'am,
breaking?
it's 6 to 15 meters.
15. Okay. Yes, Tejas, you have got.
Ma'am, I got 20 root 22 meter square.
We will be checking. No worries. Okay, I want everyone's answer. Just like this. Be it whatever you are going to tell me the answer, then it's my job to check it what is the correct answer, and you will be just focusing over it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 20 root 2.
20 root 2, Safia. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah. What are you getting, Sarah?
Miss, I didn't get it yet.
Please take your time. Do it and tell me. Okay, let's see what are we going to get. As we will be finding that is 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2. Okay, 15 plus 6,
15
21.
centimeter.
21 plus 1, 22, and then 10, 32 by 2, that means 16. Okay, meter. Now s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. 16 minus 15. Okay, 16 minus 11. and 16 minus 6. Okay, let's do it. 16 minus 15 is 1. 16 minus 11 is, see, such a small number we are getting. Why, Sarah, still you have not got? Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
you have not got. Have you done till here? Till here?
Yes, ma'am.
After this one, we'll be doing 16 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. Okay, 1 is just nothing, 5. And 10 means 2 into 5. Break it in a smaller number if you are getting confused. This number is in pair, 1, 2 will come. This number is in pair, 1 more 2 will come out with multiplication sign, of course. Okay, 1, 5 is also there. That is in pair, 1, 5 will come out with multiplication sign. And what got stuck inside the root? Root 2 will be there. Okay, and if we will be doing the multiplication, 2 times 4, 5 times 20, 20 root 2 we are getting meter square. Is it clear? Yes, Sarah, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is how we'll be solving it. Even if you are having such a big number, please don't do the multiplication of all. In this step, please don't do the multiplication. Rather try breaking it like this. The way I have written 16 as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now, if your question is how you will get to know if you will be having such a big number, maybe 356, then go ahead and do the factorization. If you will be having such a big number inside the root, then you have to do the factorization. That 2, 1 times 2, 2, 7 times 14, to 8 times 16. Then again 2, 8 times 16, to 9 times 18. Then you have to check, okay, 89 is divisible by any number or not. You will be checking. If it is not divisible, then 2 into 2 into 89, like that you will be writing. Are you getting it?